Hi guys, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your site. I'm going to go to Apps, Cheetah Website Builder, and I've created my site. In this case, I called it Custom Tags. I'm just going to go into the first one by clicking on Edit Page. It's going to open up your page. Here at the top is a little square block. That is for the change of your background of your site. We're going to click on that. We're going to click Change Image. You can upload your own images or you can use of the existing images. Let's just go grab one that's existing. Just going to click Nature and I'm just going to choose an image. And then the image has been changed. Now you will note that the image shows here at the back. It's because it's a background. How do you make it show through this page? You're going to click on that panel. You're going to right click on the panel. You're going to go straight down where it says background settings. You're going to click on the color and you're going to make it transparent. And that way you would be able to see the background image right there. And that is how you would change the background of your site. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you in another. Bye.